name is Luca, and today I want to talk to you about a big problem our planet is facing: climate change. It's like the Earth is having a fever, and if we don't do something soon, things can get pretty bad. One of the things causing climate change is this gas called methane. Now, methane might sound harmless, but it is actually a big troublemaker when it comes to our planet. Here's why methane is not good. It's a greenhouse gas, which means it traps heat in our atmosphere, like how a blanket traps heat on a cold night. When there's too much heat trapped in our atmosphere, it causes all sorts of problems, like melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. And do you know where a lot of methane comes from? Landfills. Yeah, those piles of trash we see everywhere. When organic waste and food scraps end up in landfills, they start to rot. And as they rot, they release methane into the air. But here's the good news. We can do something about it. We can be superheroes for the earth by composting instead of throwing them away. When we compost, we prevent food scraps from turning into methane in landfills. It's like closing the lid on a container before any gas can escape into the atmosphere. Plus, when we compost, those food scraps turn into super nutrient-rich soil, which help feed plants. And you know what plants do? They suck up carbon dioxide, which is another of those gases causing climate change. So by composting, we're fighting climate change in two awesome ways: by reducing methane in the air and helping plants clean the air. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Nowadays, there are many different composters available to buy, and they are great options if you have the space and budget for them. But it might get a bit pricey and take up space. So if you live in a small family like mine, it might not be worth it to buy a composter. But guess what? You can compost at home using a DIY composter made from plastic bottles. All you have to do is cut the top of the plastic bottle and poke some holes at the bottom for drainage. Make sure you let an adult do this because it is dangerous. Then you need to prepare soil, dry leaves, and food scraps, and layer them together, starting with soil, then dry twigs, put them in, dry leaves. I actually found these in the neighborhood. They're just laying around. Press them in. And here are the food scraps. We have vegetables. You have to chop them into small pieces. And we also got egg shells because I ate a fried egg and it's very yummy, by the way. Crumble them too. Spray some water, make sure they're moist. And here we got it, our mini DIY composter. Place them under sunlight. It helps them to decompose faster. It's easy, cheap, and super fun. So let's all do our part at cooling down the earth. One banana peel? At a time. And if you want more awesome content like this, don't forget to subscribe to NSM Thailand YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook NSM Thailand. And if you find this video helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button and sharing it to your family and friends.